Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have my brand new BabeBox in the mail that I'm ready to open and see what I got this month. But for those of you who don't know what BabeBox is, let me quickly describe it and give you the basic information. BabeBox is a makeup beauty subscription service. You will get 4 to 6 full-size products in the box, and it's usually valued up at least $80. Now, they have a month-by-month plan that if you do the month-by-month plan, it's $29.95 plus $6.95 shipping and handling. So if you just do 1 month, it'll be $35.95. But for your first box, they have an offer where you can just pay $6.95 for your first box. But the disclaimer on that is you have to get the second box also. So you'll have to pay the $6.95 for your first box and then the $35.95 for your second box. And that's exactly what I did. This is my second box now. And now I can decide if I want to stick with this service or cancel it. But you have to commit to the 2-month mark. So I just wanted to make sure that's clear. Now, if you end up liking this, they have the better option would be to do the 3-month subscription service. That would take the price down to $27 a month. And then it's free shipping. So it's just $27 a month free shipping if you do the 3-month. If you do the 6-month, it takes it down to $26 free shipping. And the 12-month is $24 free shipping. So the only time you're paying for shipping is on your first trial size box and if you just stick with the month by month. So if you do the month by month plan, that's the most expensive way to try it out. So just be aware of that. And do your research and see if you like this box. And if you really do, then I would advise committing to the 3-month one if you like it, because $27 a month and then you don't have to pay shipping. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and open it. I've already taken it out of the box, and this is the way it looks when it comes in the mail. It has an outer wrapper on it, of course, and this is the way it looks on the inside. And they give you a card with all the product information on here. Let's go ahead and open and go over each item. Okay, here's the way it looks. Now the first item out right here is Babe, and this looks like an eye mask, and I will hold this up for you guys so you can see it as I'm reading about it. And this says Babe Under Eye Dark Circle Treatment Mask. With high density plant collagen and transparent mask releasing technology, the ingredients are quickly absorbed into the skin. The eye mask minerals will gradually dissolve under body temperature and permeate quickly into the skin, providing nutrients and moisture needed. You feel the difference within seconds. And this is a house brand, and the retail value of this is $20. Now it looks in here like you get multiples. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 eye masks. So that's gonna be good to try. Okay, the next product out is this, and this is the Bella Pierre. And this is Super Lip Gloss, and it says the Super Lip Gloss are all natural, non-sticky glosses that deliver, I need new glasses, that deliver unbeatable silkiness and shine, luxuriously formulated with natural minerals and beeswax to keep your lips looking healthy. Retail value $18. Now, do they say the color on this one? Runaway. So this is a runaway. So I'm assuming that's pretty much close to the color. I don't want to open this right now because I have got so many lip products going on right now, guys. Oh, okay, but here's what it looks like. You can probably get a pretty good idea of the color. So it looks like a nice little safety seal right there. So very good. Yeah, I am really having a lot of lip products. Okay, now the next item out is this. And this says Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Electric Paint. Meet the all-new gel paint liner by Illuminati Cosmetics in the color electric pink and electric blue. These creamy liners are the perfect way to add bright pops of color to any look. Oh, got electric blue. Yeah, you put that as an eyeliner. That's just a nice way to add a little bit of color to a neutral look. I like doing that sometimes. So this will definitely get used. I like that. The retail value is $21. But it says electric pink and electric blue, but I only have one. So I don't know if I was supposed to get two and I only got one, or they should have used the word electric blue or electric pink. I don't know, but I only got the blue. All right, and the last item out of the box are these, and these are eyelashes, which I have used these eyelashes before, and these are Baddington Beauty Monroe Lash and Mini Lash Glue. These 3D lashes provide dramatic length and dramatic volume. If you're looking to make a statement, this lash is for you. 3D effects lash mimic the growth structure of lashes for the ultimate in natural glamour. The package includes a mini Baddington lash glue, and the retail value of this is $31. And I know that's probably correct because I remember looking at these not too long ago, and I remember checking it out, and I'm pretty sure it was $25, so maybe it went up. But I know these are more, I believe they're like supposed to be like nice and silky and stuff. So I have used this before and I enjoyed this a lot. Okay, so these are the 4 products that I got in my box that said 4 to 6. So I got the false eyelashes. Oh, and it says the total box value is $90. So I got the Monroe eyelashes. I got the Bella Pierre lip gloss. I got 5 eye masks, and I got an electric blue eyeliner. I love these eyelashes, and I can't wait to try the eye masks because I do like those. Okay, so if you guys are liking the videos, please click like and subscribe button down below, and I hope everyone's staying safe out there, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.